In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix email to Gmail. It's a simple process that can help streamline your communications and make managing your emails much more convenient. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, we'll begin by accessing your Wix dashboard. To do this, log into your Wix account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to your site's dashboard. This is essentially your control center for managing all things related to your Wix site, and it's where you'll be performing most of the actions today. Next, we'll move on to opening the Wix inbox settings. On the left-hand menu of your dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Inbox. Go ahead and click on this. It's an essential area for handling communications directly through your Wix site. Once you're inside the inbox section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find a Settings drop-down menu. Click on this menu to reveal more options. Here, you'll want to select Communication Channels. This option allows you to manage and set up how you communicate with your clients and visitors through Wix. Now let's focus on connecting Gmail. In the Communications Channels section, you'll see the option for Gmail. Right next to it, you should find a button labeled Manage App. Click on that to proceed. Managing your app in this context essentially means adjusting how you connect or disconnect your Gmail account. You will then be prompted with an option to Continue with Google. Click on this, and you'll be directed to a Google login screen. At this point, you need to select the Google account that you wish to connect with your Wix inbox. If you're already logged into your Google account, it might just ask you to confirm. Otherwise, simply enter your username and password to proceed. After you've chosen the correct Google account, click Continue. You're almost there. The next screen will ask you to review the permissions you are granting. This is an important step as it outlines the level of access Wix will have to your Gmail account. If everything looks good to you and you agree with the terms, go ahead and click Allow. This will grant Wix the necessary access to integrate with your Gmail account. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Wix email to Gmail. From here on out, you'll be able to manage your communications more efficiently, having them all in one convenient place. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.